Hello and welcome again to a new episode of Spice and Easy Kitchen. We hope you are all doing well, and today's recipe is for lunch or dinner. You can make it whenever you want and it turns out very delicious. We hope this recipe will satisfy you, and now for the ingredients. We have 1 large potato peeled and cut like this, 1 chopped onion and 1 red pepper cut into cubes, 1 green pepper cut into cubes, and 1 large tomato. If small, use 3, and if medium, use 2. We also have a 1/4 portion of minced meat or chicken breast, half a spoon of black pepper and salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of ketchup and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, some parsley, and a glass of milk, about 200 milliliters, 4 tablespoons of white flour, vegetable oil and traditional oil, and some water. We start by boiling the potatoes with water and a little salt so they do not turn out bland. Add a tablespoon of vegetable oil, then add the onion and saute it until it softens slightly. Then add the minced meat. You can replace it with chicken depending on what you have. Cook it for 5 to 6 minutes until it is properly cooked. Then add the peppers. Keep the heat medium so vegetables do not release water. Let it cook for a few minutes. Then add the chopped tomato and stir everything together. Let it cook for about 4 minutes. Add half a spoon of black pepper, you can add any spices you like. Now add ketchup and mayonnaise. Add 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Mix everything well. Then turn off the heat. This filling is now ready. Let it cool slightly. Now mash the potatoes. Make sure there are no lumps. Add the milk gradually. Then add 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix everything well. Add 1 egg and baking powder. About 5 grams. Then mix well. Add 4 tablespoons of flour. Add a little black pepper and a small spoon of salt. Add half a sachet of baking powder. Mix everything well. Prepare a baking tray with parchment paper. Grease it lightly with oil. Spread the potato mixture evenly. Pour and distribute it well. Then add the minced meat mixture. Spread it evenly. Add some parsley on top. Then add grated cheese. Spread it over the top. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees. Cook for 20 minutes from below. Then finish cooking from above for 15 minutes. This is the final result. It can be served for lunch or dinner. It gives a generous portion. And it is very delicious. You can decorate it as you like. Decoration is optional. Cut it like this into square pieces. It looks very nice. The recipe turns out very tasty. We hope you liked today's recipe. Do not forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.